Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
All right, guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're stacking up Cove, SimpliSafe, and Vivint, three big names in home security for 2025. Whether you're a homeowner looking for top-tier smart tech or a renter wanting easy protection without the hassle, let's break down which one fits your lifestyle best. Let's kick off with SimpliSafe. Known for its clean design and straightforward setup, SimpliSafe is a top choice for DIYers. It ships pre-configured and setup takes just minutes. No drilling, no wiring. Its sensors, cameras, and smart locks are all easy to manage, and you get 24/7 professional monitoring with no contracts required. In 2025, SimpliSafe added better motion detection and improved mobile alerts, making it even more reliable. It's budget-friendly too, which makes it ideal for apartments or smaller homes. Now on to Cove. If you like the simplicity of SimpliSafe but want something even more intuitive, Cove has you covered. It also offers DIY installation but steps up the user experience with a touchscreen hub and faster emergency response thanks to its rapid SOS integration. Cove also has no long-term contracts, and customer support is consistently praised. However, it's slightly more limited in smart home integrations compared to SimpliSafe. Then there's Vivint, the luxury pick. Vivint stands out for its fully integrated smart home system. You'll get professional installation, smart cameras, doorbells, locks, thermostats, and even garage control, all managed from a powerful mobile app. Its AI features like smart detection zones and voice alerts are next level in 2025. But all this tech comes at a price. It's the most expensive of the three, and often requires a multi-year contract unless paid up front. So here's the takeaway. SimpliSafe is great if you want balanced security and affordability with solid features. Cove is perfect if you're new to home security and want something fast, simple, and budget-friendly. Vivint is for those who want full smart home control and premium protection and are ready to pay for it. Which one are you leaning toward in 2025? Let us know down in the comments.